Moosend versus Constant Contact, which is best for small business owners? That's the big question today, and if you're a small business owner looking to simplify your marketing efforts, you've probably come across both of these tools. But which one is really the best for you? Stick around because we're diving deep into both of these options, and by the end, I'll share a better alternative you might not have considered. Let's start with Moosend. One thing that stands out right away is its affordability. Moosend offers a pretty solid pricing structure with a free plan that's great for startups. But don't be fooled, it's not just cheap, it's powerful. Moosend gives you access to a good set of features for automation, like email workflows, segmentation, and landing pages. And for small businesses, that's pretty essential. But here's the catch: while the automation is strong, it does lack some advanced features, like detailed reporting and A/B testing, that some businesses might need. Next thing, Constant Contact. It's a bit more well-known and comes with a reputation for being user-friendly, which is a big plus for small business owners who may not have the time or resources to figure out complicated software. Constant Contact has a drag-and-drop editor that's simple to use, and it offers more than just email marketing. It has a full set of features, including event management and social media posting. However, while it does a lot, its pricing can be a bit high compared to Moosend, especially if you have a larger contact list. And honestly, the reporting features aren't as robust as you might expect from a tool that's on the pricier side. The third thing to consider is email deliverability. Moosend tends to have a strong reputation in this area, especially for businesses that are just starting to get into email marketing. Their tools are set up to optimize your email campaigns and improve the likelihood that your emails reach your customers' inboxes. Constant Contact, on the other hand, has a solid deliverability track record as well, but with its added features and larger customer base, it can sometimes struggle with scaling up and maintaining the same level of performance. The fourth thing, customer support. Moosend offers 24/7 support, and their team is generally responsive. But the catch here is that they have limited educational resources compared to Constant Contact, which has been around for a long time. Constant Contact has a wealth of tutorials, FAQs, and even a community forum. They also offer phone support, which can be a big deal for businesses who prefer to talk things through. Now, let's talk integrations. Moosend offers integrations with plenty of third-party apps like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Google Analytics, but it's not as expansive as Constant Contact. Constant Contact offers even more integrations, including popular tools for small businesses like QuickBooks, Salesforce, and more. So, if your business is already using multiple tools, Constant Contact may be more helpful in terms of getting everything to sync seamlessly. So, which is the best for small business owners? Both of these tools have their strengths. Moosend is great if you're starting out and need an affordable yet powerful platform, especially if you don't need a ton of advanced features. Constant Contact is a more established option that gives you a wider variety of features, but it can get pricey, especially if you have a larger list. But after trying both of these myself, I can tell you there's a better alternative out there that offers a more balanced approach to price and features. If you're looking for something that's cost-effective, easy to use, and packed with features that are perfect for small business owners like you, then you should definitely check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. In the end, both Moosend and Constant Contact are solid choices, but if you want something that ticks all the boxes without breaking the bank, don't miss out on this better alternative.